Hello, I am John Johnson for the Bullen Companies. Did you know it is National Cleaning Week? It is running from Sunday, March 27th to Saturday, April 2nd, 2023. National Cleaning Week is an annual event started 4 years ago by the ISSA. NCW, or National Cleaning Week, is a reminder of the importance of cleanliness in our daily lives. With better cleaning, we can create a healthier, happier environment. Each day of NCW we are going to feature from the Bullen brands and our list of remarkable products a single item that will help you and your customers find easier ways to clean. Today that product is 1UP Extends Luxury Vinyl Tile Cleaner. Many homes and businesses have installed luxury vinyl tile or plank, but most people do not know how to maintain this new type of floor. 1UP Extends Luxury Vinyl Tile Cleaner is not just another neutral floor cleaner. Extends and its proprietary blend of surfactants and patented ingredients clean the floor surface and leave behind a protective membrane that inhibits soil, dirt and other harmful materials from adhering to the surface. This makes the cleaning that much easier each time it is used. What better product for National Cleaning Week and many more to come?